This is Mrkhan, founder of Mrkhan Digital Agency, which is a top website development, digital marketing, and AI services agency based in Bangalore, India. So, the purpose of this video is to show you a demo of what actually our AI chatbot services are and how it looks like. So, in this video, we are going to cover website conversational chatbot, a Facebook Messenger DM conversational chatbot, and an Instagram DM conversational chatbot, which answers all user queries related to the business and also takes bookings or reservations or an appointments. And that's not all. We will also show you the comment replies with AI on any of our social media posts. So let's first start with the website chatbot. This chatbot, which you can see here, is the chatbot we have developed for our own agency, which answers users' queries and books an appointment into Google Calendar. And the same appointment gets added to the booking in a Google Sheet. So let's start with asking any queries first. So suppose I press new client here, I'll get an reply immediately. So it says, would you like to know about our services or schedule a 30 minutes consultation appointment call? So let's first start with asking any query. So let's say I'll ask, what is AI? You can see here, whatever the queries are, AI is answering everything. Where is your agency located? You can see here the reply agency has given with all our details of our agency. So now let's try with booking an appointment. Let's say tomorrow at 2 p.m. IST. So it's asking the full name. Now it's asking phone number. So now it's asking which services you want to, which services are we looking for. So I'll say AI chatbots. Now the appointment is getting booked. You can see the message as your appointment for AI chatbot has been successfully booked for January 29th at 2 p.m. IST. Email confirmation with the details has been sent to this email. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Now let's see the Google Sheet first. You can see that my booking has reflected in the Google Sheet with appointment status as booked and appointment date and time as uh, 2 p.m. plus 5:30 is the UTC time. I mean IST time. You can see the same details here. Now let's see if we got this in Google Calendar. So here is my Google Calendar. So I'm recording this on Wednesday, 20th of Jan 2026. So when we set tomorrow 2 p.m., let's see for 29th. Here you can see that the appointment is booked in my Google Calendar, where you can see the guest as this. And let's also see the mail if we have received. We can see that I have also got an invitation to accept the appointment. And let's see as a user if as a business owner if I'm getting the mail or not. Okay, yeah, sorry, this is the email. You can see the mail received. Now let's go to Messenger chatbot. This is my business page. Let's chat. You can see that I have received a message. Let me ask anything. You can see I'm getting all the services which we guys provide. Also here it's the same. It can answer user queries, plus it can also take book an appointment. So which I have showed you in the website chatbot itself. So I hope there's no need to show it here. Now let me show you the Instagram DM. You can also see here I'm getting a reply from AI immediately. Now let's say if I comment on any post. Let me search the page. For example, let me take this post. Let me refresh it. You can see the reply. You can see that AI has replied to the page comments. Same way, let me show you on Messenger as well. So this is my page. Let me take any post here. Now let me refresh it. You can see that uh, for my comment, AI has replied in a conversational way like a human, not like an AI chatbot or something. So I hope uh, you guys are clear with this. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.